Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They would like this style of font. They do not have the font. If we had the font, you could do it in 2 seconds with text to path. But they want it like this, but with this. So he's trying to use object to path. Object to path isn't meant for this, really. Let's just go, let's just do it. Object to path, shift select your path, and that's what you're going to. Well, maybe that won't because it's not a path. Let's make a path. Shift select the path. Yeah, that didn't work because it's not meant for that. So my only suggestion, and this is kind of like off the chart, the way to do something, but the only way I know, I tried envelope, built an envelope, it wouldn't work. Where it just wouldn't work. So let's go to object group and ungroup them. We're gonna, luckily, we have 9 letters. That makes it extremely easy. So what I want to do is I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. And then I'm going to rise that to about where I want the E. Okay. But then I'm going to make a path at the top of the E. So I'm going to hold down the shift key so it'll grow. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually move this out of the way. That E is the starting point. We're good to go. Let me bring in indexing lines just to make it easier to understand, because we're going to rotate from the center of the page. You know what, that E doesn't really look like the center. I guess it's just because it's off. And see, now we can actually go shift select, shift select the T and go, and have T in it, put it to the top. So now what we need to do, and it'd be a lot easier to nudge after we're done, nudge the letters away. Now I'm going to go hit the S, shift select the box, T, but then I'm going to rotate it. Alternate C, if you don't have my hotkey for that, and we're going to try a negative 14 degrees. Look back just to see how it looks. And so you're going to have to maybe play with the degrees. So negative 14 worked. The reason I went negative so it'd go that direction. Now I'm going to just nudge those out of the way, and I'm going to hit P, shift select, T, select it, and I just realized that we could have used the other S. Alternate C, and we did, so it'd be negative 28 degrees, and move that down. E, center of the page, shift select, T, grab it, alternate C, 42 degrees, negative. Look at that. Now that E is the same. So I could have gone here and made a duplicate alternate C. I'm just going to take that away. Negative 56 degrees. And then we'll move both those down. Now, I'm truly hoping this is what he was wanting. P, shift select, T, alternate C. If you don't have my alternate C, just ask for it. Now we're going to rotate 14 degrees. The end, I can't do the end because this end is different. P, shift select, T, alternate C, 28 degrees. And you can change your degrees. E, P, shift select, T, alternate C, 42 degrees. Last one, P, shift select. I'm shift selecting the object up top. Alternate C, 56 degrees, I believe. Now, we don't have to move those, we can move these. Now, some of the letters look different because of the fact that they're just, when they're in the center, they're not the same. So you can change it from here. I wonder if we still have alternate C in place. And we do. So you could play with these. I mean, the letters are not the same. Look at that. And then, so this N needs to be closer. So maybe you could take both these. Then you definitely have to go alternate C. So you have to group them together. So it'd be better to do it one at a time. Those need to be closer together because of the fact that, and see, the N's going to be closer than it should be. So you might have to just play with this by hand. The only thing you want to check is you want to bring an indexing line. And let's just finish this real quick. See, the advantage is we're all, we still got my center. And what I was going to show you, if you need to have this line up, so we need to really do one more little adjustment. And I'm not taking a lot of time, but I was going to, hopefully I wanted to be off because I was going to show you what you could do. So this is, okay, this is off compared to that. All you'd have to do is Control G to group it, alternate C to have the whole thing rotate, and just move the whole thing back and forth. So you get it like that. Now, if you remember, we made a line smaller, so it's going to fit right in there. I've been making videos a long time, and I love it. Well, you know what? Let's use Tennessee. Let's use University of Texas burnt orange, which is basically the same, I think. I'm not a Tennessee fan, but I think that's going to help it. And then if you want to do volunteer, if that's what you're going after, and if you can find that font, I like the font. I just noticed that the two S's aren't the same, and I probably used the same. No, I didn't. I changed it. See, well, that's just a different S. But anyway, all the videos I've made, I love it when I first look at it and going, there's no way if you don't have the font. Now there's ways almost to do anything. I'm trying to get rid of that outline. Oh, that's because I had a blue behind it. But I love a challenge, and I truly hope that was what he was asking, and thank you for watching.